Colorblindness. Colorblindness is the inability to distinguish different colors of the spectrum. Any abnormality or deficiency of any type of cones, receptor cells located in the retina that enable people to see the wide spectrum of colors will result in colorblindness. Odds of being affected. Colorblindness affects 1 in 12 men, 8%, and 1 in 200 women in the world, 0.5%. Red-green colorblindness affects 7 to 10% of men. Deuteranopia, M-cone absent, affects 1 to 1.2% of men and 0.01% of women. Anomalous trichromacy affects 6.3% of men and 0.37% of women. Monochromacy is very rare. It is complete colorblindness. It affects between 1 in 33,000 to 1 in 100,000 or 0.001%. Tritanopia is blue-yellow colorblindness, and it affects 0.008% of the population. How is colorblindness caused? Colorblindness is inherited from the mother. It is found in the X chromosome and passed down to the son. It is a recessive trait. The mother will not have colorblindness but will pass down the trait. Infrequently, a change in the chromosome during early development can cause colorblindness. Some people become colorblind as a result of another disease, such as diabetes and multiple sclerosis, or they get the condition over time due to the aging process. Is it caused by mutation? Mutations in 2 genes that produce red and green light-sensitive proteins that are located in the X chromosome cause colorblindness. These mutations cause a loss of either the red or green cones in the eye. Does it affect one ethnic group or sex more than the other? What are the tests and testing procedures? Yes, colorblindness affects males more than females. It is very rare to have a woman that is colorblind. There are many tests, the most common being the Shirahara plate test, which tests for red-green colorblindness. In a plate test, there will be dots of 2 or more irregular colors. Symptoms or signs. 40% of people grow up without even knowing that they have colorblindness. People who do have colorblindness will experience a difficulty in distinguishing colors. Colors that have red in them might be mixed up with one another. Colors with green in them might be mixed up with one another also. Treatment options. There are no current treatments that can completely cure colorblindness. This inherited disability has been studied for years but never completely cured. There are lenses that can enhance the brightness of some colors, but that does not completely cure the person. How does this affect a person's life? This could affect a person's everyday tasks. Signs on the road could be difficult to see, cooking could be harder, and education could be very affected in the person's early years. In some countries, people with color deficiency are not allowed to drive because of their inability to read certain signs or read stop signs. The disability will last the person's entire life, causing them to never be able to see normally. These are our sources.